उपरांत एक्सपर्ट्सची मिटींग जातली आनी आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान प्रपोजल घेतले, कारण आमचे कडेन ब्लड बँक असल्या कारणान आमकां आनी कसले परमिशनची गरज ना. ते प्लाझ्मा आमकां कलेक्ट करपाक फ्रॉम अ रिकवर्ड पेशंट. आतां डॉक्टर उलयतना आमी उलयल्या की मिनिमम तो नेगेटीव येतकूच आनी एक 14 दीस वयचे पडटा, म्हणजे 28 दीस ते जाल्या उपरांतूच त्या तरेच्या पेशंटा कडल्यान आमी ते प्लाझ्मा आमी कलेक्ट करू शकता. आमचे कडेन एक 4000 पॅकेट्स स्टोरेजाची आमचे कडेन कॅपॅसिटी, फ्रीजर कॅपॅसिटी आहे. इट इज वॅलीड फॉर पिरियड ऑफ 1 year. आमी 2 फ्रिजर्स जे आहा ते डेडिकेटेडली आमी हेज्या खातीर वापरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आहा. अफेरिसीस मशीन आमकां जे जाय ते आमी मशीन आमी ताबडतोब आमी प्रोसेस करपाक लायतले. आनी आमी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ट्रान्सफ्युजन मेडिसीन ऑलरेडी केल्ले आसा. तेज्या खातीर एक MD ट्रान्सफ्युजन मेडिसिनाचो आमकां मनीस लागतलो, आनी त्याच बरोबर 1-2-3 टेक्निकल लोक लागतले. ते आमी कॅबिनेटाक बेगीन घालपाचो मुख्यमंत्री कडेन आमी हे धाडटले. त्याच बरोबर कितें आहा की आमी हे प्लाझ्मा हे जर कलेक्ट केल्यार, हे प्लाझ्मा जर कलेक्ट केल्यार आमी हे प्लाझ्मा वी वील स्टोर दीस प्लाझ्मा एंड द वॅलिडिटी ऑफ दीस इज फॉर 1 year. सो वेरेवर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. आनी आमच्या लेवलाचेर आमी कितें करूं शकता, जे गायडलायन्स प्रोटोकॉल्स जे आहा त्या प्रमाणे सगळे फॉलो करून आमी तेजो वापर करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. त्याच बरोबर ICMRाक कितें पत्र बरोवंक जाय, डीन बरयतले. रिसर्च जे आमकां करूंक जाय आनी आमी जे ट्रायल्स एंड क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स एंड रिसर्चच्या बाबतींत कितें करूं गोंय राज्यान आयज आमचे कडेन काही पेशंट अशे क्रिटिकल आहा, तेंच्या खातीर कशें कितें करूं शकता कायद्या प्रमाणे, कायद्याच्या अनुसार एज पर द लॉ, एज पर द गायडलायन्स वी वील टेक दीस फॉरवर्ड. I just want to, through your medium, tell the people of the state of Goa that Goa government is doing everything possible to keep people safe. All the new protocols, all the protocols that are in place, we are seeing that we are able to take advantage of the new things that are being done by them, best practices that are being done by the other states. That's why we thought today itself we'll have a meeting, and after having a meeting we will subsequently, Dean along with the team members will, our director FD and others will have a meeting subsequently and submit a report to the government. And after submitting a report to the submit a report and recommendations to government, we will start immediately. But for plasma collection, we don't require any more permission, because you can directly do it as per the protocols that are given. Those SOPs are very clearly mentioned. ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. आनी त्याच बरोबर गोंया राज्यान गोंयच्या जनतेच्या मनान म्हाका कळटा की कितें चलना, पूण त्याच बरोबर गव्हर्मेंट इज डुईंग एवरीथींग पॉसिबल टू सी that we have the best practices, best treatments in place, best protocols in place, and we are moving forward. This is the right time now for us to do plasma banking, that is dealing with in order to deal with COVID-19, and that is what we are going to be doing. The apheresis machine जे कितें आहा ते बी आमी घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी त्याच बरोबर जे 1-2 एडिशनल एक्सपर्ट्स जे लागतात ते बी आमी कॉन्ट्रॅक्च्युअल बेसिसचेर घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जे कितें गोंयची जनतेक सुरक्षा आनी गोंयची जनतेचे आमी सुरक्षा आमी करूं शकता, क्रिटिकल पेशंटाक ट्रिटमेंट कशें दिवपाचें तें डीनच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ही एक्सपर्ट बॉडी जी आहा हे डिसायड करतली SOPs कसले ट्रिटमेंट आनी कशें आमी दिवं शकता. कांय गोश्टी आमकां ICMR कडेन आमकां मांडचे पडटा, कांय गोश्टी आमचे इंटरनली आमचे जे कितें विशय आहा त्यो विशय आमी फुडें व्हरूंक शकता ट्रिटमेंट आमच्या लोकांक दिवपाक. त्याच तरेन आमी फुडें वयतले. आयज तुमकां ब्रीफ करपाक इतलेंच की आमी केसीस वाडटा म्हणून आमी पावल फाटीं घेवंक ना. केसीस वाडटा म्हणून आमी आनी कितें करूं शकता लोकां खातीर, हे सगळे गोश्टीचेर नवे आतां टेस्ट आयिल्ले आसा. एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग करपाक आनी ते वेगळे तरेचे टेस्टिंग, नेझल टेस्टिंग करपाक आमचे प्रयत्न चालू आसा. त्या तरेचे किट्स ICMRचे अप्रुवल असलेले, ICMRचे गायडलायनचे प्रमाणे ते घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. म्हणजे टेस्टिंग बी बेगीन जातलें. मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की खंयी जर कंटेनमेंट झोन जालो, खंयी जर कितें जालें प्रॉब्लम, बेगीन नेझल स्वॉब घेतल्यार म्हाका दिसता दीस टेक्स हाऊ मच टायम डॉक्टर? 30 मिनटां भितर आमी एक मनशाचे आमी स्वॉब करूं शकता. सो बेसिकली हे वेगळ्या तरेचे गोश्टी घेवन फुडें वचपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो एज पर गायडलायन्स एंड रूल्स रेग्युलेशन. तुमकां कितें सांगूं जाय? सांगा ना.
इमिजिएटली आमी आतां ठरयला की आमची जी कमिटी आसा हाजी प्लाझ्मा ट्रान्सफ्युजनाची, सो त्यांनी ठरयला की आमी आतां इमिजिएटली प्लाझ्मा बँकिंग स्टार्ट करतले. आमचे ब्लड बँकाचे जे डॉक्टर मारले आसा तांच्यांनी सांगला की वी कॅन स्टार्ट मोटिवेटिंग पीपल टू डोनेट प्लाझ्मा ऑफ कन्वलसंट प्लाझ्मा, म्हणजे जे कोण रिकवर जाल्या. आणि हे आमी सुरवातीक सायंटिफिकली वापरतले. म्हणजे कशें की ज्यांची एंटीबॉडीज कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन बरें आसा हीच प्लाझ्मा आमी वापरतले. आणि हे इवन इफ वी कॅन सेव 1 or 2 लायफ्स इन अ क्रिटिकल पेशंट, then it is going to be a big achievement for गव्हर्मेंट अँड दी इन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो ही आमची एक आयडिया बेजलायन घेवन आमी फुडें वतले आनी हळूच आमचे पॅरलली वी वील बी रायटींग टू ICMR फॉर अ बिगर स्टडी ऑल्सो इन ड्यू कोर्स. सो दिस इज वॉट वी हॅव डिसायडेड टुडे अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ अवर ऑनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टर.
काल हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टर केरला कडेन उलयतालो. तेणी सांगलां आमचे कडेन 8 पेशंट जे आशिल्ले 8 people who they had actually virtually given up on life that they will survive. ते सांगले प्लाझ्माचे जे ट्रायल्स आनी क्लिनिकल जे ट्रायल्स तेणी केल्या त्या माध्यमांतल्यान 8 लोक हॅव कम बॅक इन टू दिस थिंग अँड ऑन द पाथ ऑफ रिकवरी. म्हणजे ह्या तरेन आमकां एक बऱ्यापैकी राज्याचे प्रॅक्टिसीस जे आसता आनी म्हणून हांवें डॉक्टराक बी सांगलां तुमी तेंचे डॉक्टर कडेन मातशें उलयात, चर्चा करात की बाबा तुमी कशें प्रॅक्टीस करता, कशें तुमचे मॉडॅलिटीज आशिल्ल्यो आनी ते आमकां गायडलायन आमी तेंच्या मिनिस्टरा कडल्यान आमी गायडलायन मागल्या. म्हणजे आमच्या लोकांक बी आमी बेस्ट प्रॅक्टीस कित्याक त्यो प्रॅक्टीसीस आमच्या राज्यान आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसलो. हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोंयचे जनतेक की आमचे डीन, आमचे डॉक्टर्स, आमचे सगळे टीम जे आहा आमी काम दीस रात करता. आतां आमकां जाय की मॅक्झिमम टेस्टींग हे टेस्टींग हेच एक उत्तर आहा. आमची सेक्रेटरी चीफ सेक्रेटरी बी एकदम बरें काम करता, आमकां सगळ्या दृश्टीन सहकार्य करता आनी आमकां मुख्यमंत्रीचे सदांच सपोर्ट आसता म्हणून आमी खुबशे गोश्टी करूंक सोदता. लोकांक केन्ना दिसता की आरोग्य क्षेत्रान एक नवे गोश्टी जावंक जाय म्हणून आमी हे जे नवे आमी चालू करपाक वयता हे हो रायट टायम म्हाका दिसता ते फुडें व्हरपाक आनी आमकां डेफिनेटली ताका यश गावतलें. जे मनशाक कोणाक प्लाझ्मा गावता दॅट वील बी ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल वीथ गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. काल तुमी NDTV जर पळयला डोनेट युअर प्लाझ्मा म्हणून कॅम्पेन चालू जाल्लें आसा. सेम वे वी वील यूज FM एंड एवरी मिडियम इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा टू एनकरेज पीपल हू हॅव रिकवर्ड एज वॉट डॉक्टर हॅज सेड and to use them to help them, encourage them to donate the plasma so that it will come not only it will come to the use to save so many people's lives. आयज तरेची परिस्थिती म्हण जे कोण क्रिटिकल पेशंट्स आहा आयज आमच्या मदीं त्या क्रिटिकल पेशंटाक जर आमी ते ट्रायल जर केले आनी ते बी सगळे आमी सगळे योग्य तरेचे प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करून SOP फॉलो करून म्हाका दिसता तेंचें जीवन आमकां वाचोवपाक आमी शकतले आनी ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. वी आर व्हेरी प्रोग्रेसीव थिंकींग स्टेट. We have a very progressive thinking department and we will act also progressively. Thank you.
Talk about this plasma therapy, where it could be set up in GMC only.
There's nothing to set up. It is a simple thing where you collect the plasma. We have got facility in the blood bank to store. We will store, and 2 freezers we are dedicating for collecting plasma from the recovered patients from COVID-19. And as a result, this will then tomorrow be of benefit to other people. That blood, what plasma is collected will be as per standard operating procedure, thoroughly screened, and screening will be done and it will be stored. आमकां जेन्ना गरज पडटा बेस्ड ऑन दीस टीम ऑफ एक्सपर्ट दे विल डिसायड वीच पेशंट दे नीड टू यूज इट, वॉट दे नीड टू यूज इट, अप्रोप्रिएट प्रोटोकॉल्स, अप्रोप्रिएट अप्रुवल्स will be taken and will be done. But nothing prevents us at the moment. Clinical trials are separate and nothing prevents at the moment to start banking the plasma at the moment.
The plasma will be taken only of the negative patients?
Yeah.
Or other
No, only negative patients. It is recovered.
When you talk about recovery, as far as state of Goa is concerned, a certain number, it would be in a certain age or what it is you are talking about?
कितें ते age?
Because older, there are a number of older people also in there.
Below 60.
Might have recovered or something.
Below 60.
So what is the
Same
age?
criteria of blood donation.
Yeah.
Blood donation.
Above 18 and below 50.
क्रायटेरिया फिक्स्ड आहा
Okay.
ते प्लाझ्मा कलेक्ट करपाक. तेणी आतां सांगलां अबव 18 बिलो 60.
That is one thing. Another thing is that from yesterday, the clinical trials would be started for the biotech. And is the government or is the health department taking on all those things? The vaccine, co-vaccine.
ना ते आमकां
that is
Not within our.
not decided as yet.
nothing is decided. State to state we will decide based on what we need to do.
And one more thing is, now government has already started tourism. How do you see as a health minister? Because number of people might try to come in Goa and all.
Let us see. His decision is just taken. We are.
Spreading.
I understand, but it is a decision that has been. It is a decision that has been taken by the government. As far as we are concerned, what you should be asking me, what as a health minister you will be doing to see that the Goa is safe. As far as the SOPs are concerned, we will strictly implement those SOPs which are there. And also tracing for contact tracing. That's why we are creating now community skilling department माध्यमांतल्यान additional team आमी लोकांक आमी skill दिवन that we want to skill them for community skilling so that they are able to manage people that are in home quarantine and manage people also for this type of contact tracing and other things. It is necessary. COVID, we do not know when it will end. COVID, we do not know as a result, as we speak, Goa cannot be insulated from the rest of the country or rest of the globe. everywhere the cases are on the rise. US today has got the highest peak of 57,500 cases day before yesterday or yesterday. So as a result, when we are talking in a country like India, every couple of states are also getting high peaks and their cases are increasing. We also, here we have cases which have doubled up. So what we need to do is we need to see as a health department to see that as per the directions of the Chief Minister that all strict stringent protocols are maintained. We have also asked for COVID negative certificate. They have said that every person who comes in the state, others you get yourself checked and then you don't need to be quarantined. So all these things we are doing. The load is definitely going to increase, but we have to see overall what needs to be done. We are, as far as health ministry is concerned, everything possible that we can do. If required to bring more machines of Molbio or whatever needs to be done, we will do it. But same time, other things you need to be asking the Chief Minister and Tourism Minister, because that domain of tourism comes under them. You must ask me only questions related to health.
No, but sir, as a health minister, don't you think so? When you are the government is trying to open tourism, it puts more pressure on you as a health minister, on your doctors, on your all medical experts, technical.
No, pressure is not going to go down irrespective of either way. Pressure is going to go on increasing, and we are facing. That's why we all are sitting here. Do you look at any of us looking very stressed
But
out? No,
finally,
no.
you all are at the front lines.
असू दे फ्रंटलाईन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर झालो आणि आमचे डॉक्टर झाले मग फ्रंटलाईन असू नये फाटले बॅकलाईन घेऊन जावचे ना न्ही.
Like I tourism आम्ही म्हणता की नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट आणि नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेटची व्हॅलिडिटी सारखी हा होणार की
आता पळय राव एक मिनिट ते डॉक्टर मागचे आता डॉक्टराक आमकां केरला गव्हर्मेंट जे नेझल स्वॉब करता ते मंत्री आयज सकाळी तेंचे सेक्रेटरींतल्यान आमकां पॅक आयला की ते नेझल एंटीजन बेस्ड टेस्ट नेझल स्वॉब रॅपिड टेस्ट नेझल स्वॉब घेवन म्हणजे थंयचे थंय 30 मिनटान आमी ते स्वॉब घेवन आमी करूं शकता म्हणून हांवें डॉक्टराकूच दिल्या की तुमी मातशें चॅक करा की हे वॅलीड आहे हेंचे केरला गव्हर्मेंट हेच वापरता पूण त्याच बरोबर पेस जेन्ना वाडटा स्पीड बी वाडपाची गरज आहा आनी स्पीड कशी वाडपाची ते सरकाराचें काम आहा त्याच बरोबर एफिशियन्सी आसूंक जाय कॉस्ट इफेक्टीव आसूंक जाय आमकां परवडपाक बी जाय फाल्यां कोणी जर 1000 रुपयान आतां हेजेर कॅपिंग आहा हेजेर 450 रुपयाचे वयर तूं घेवच शकना कित्याक केंद्र सरकारान हेजेर कॅपिंग घातला पूण दिस इज मच चिपर दॅन दॅट आय एम टोल्ड अँड दिस इज बींग यूज्ड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ केरला सो केरला इज गॉट सम व्हेरी गुड प्रॅक्टिसीस सो वी हॅव टू सी how and what, and this has got multiple tests, so we will figure it out once doctor sees how this system works. So we will then see how to ramp up the testing facilities. Answer to this is fast speed testing, whatever new innovations. And let me tell you one thing, as we speak companies are busy innovating on the speed of testing because testing is the only answer. But त्याच बरोबर SOPs जे असतात न्ही ते SOPs we must follow. Government has to put SOPs. Chief Secretary is also working and Secretary Health also is working on all these things, and Chief Minister's overall guidance. We need to take things forward. And also second thing, तूच उलयता न्ही आतां जे seafarer बी आयल्या they have all many of them have lost their jobs and come. So you have to understand there is a pressure on the state government to not only take care of the COVID-19 but the state of the health of the people and overall, and we have to see Sopena. It is a challenge. It is not a challenge only here. It is a challenge globally. It is a challenge in the state, in our country. So we have to see how best. And our department, my restricted answer to you will be is that we are discussing on a day-to-day basis on how best we can run our hospital and on the best. आता आमचे थोडे हेल्थ वर्कर पॉझिटिव्ह आयल्या थोडे पुलीस पॉझिटिव्ह आयल्या हे जातलेंच हांव आयज ते जाता म्हणून आतां हांव जर मंत्री जालो फाल्यां हांव म्हणटलो डिना कडेन हांव बसचो ना काय डॉक्टर सावय कडेन बसचो तशें जायना न्ही तें तो दीस रात तो सॅम्पल टेस्ट करीत आसता आपल्या हेजेन त्या सायडीक ते तेजे लॅबोरेटरीन त्या सायडीक तो डॉक्टर ड्वेन आपल्या लॅबान करता थंय डॉक्टर वर्षा म्हणून ती आपले टेस्ट करत रावता म्हणजे प्रत्येक मनीस आपापलो रोल करत आसा डॉक्टर मल्ल्या ते आतां हे प्लाझ्मा बँकिंग केले उपरांत प्रत्येकाक करचें पडटा पूण कितें आहा वी कॅनॉट गेट इन्सुलेटेड दिस इज बाउंड टू हॅपन एट सम पॉयंट.
So, but as a health minister, when your doctors work and give so much of all your efforts and all, and suddenly putting more, don't you think so?
Arey cancel.
Put more pressure on all.
I want to ask you a simple question. You answer me this question as a citizen of the state. Don't you think that the job losses are very high? Don't you think that people are going hungry? Do you know that as we speak that the pattern of behavior among the children also in the houses is changing? People, adolescent kids, their behavior pattern is changing because the restrictions being put by the parents. People, when they lose jobs, trust me, I have been discussing with experts, the suicides also in the state, in the country and globally is going to increase this year, and next year is going to be the year of suicides म्हणतात ते एक्सपर्ट्स म्हणटा, हांव म्हणना. हे जाताना तेन्ना आमकां बी आमी कितें करूं शकता. नोबडी डिलिबरेटली ट्रायंग टू डू एनीथींग. आयज एवरीथींग इज देर. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज ऑल्सो ह्युमन, वी आर ऑल ह्युमन, डॉक्टर्स ऑल्सो आर ह्युमन. वी आर ट्रायंग टू सी हाऊ बेस्ट वी कॅन इन्क्रीज द टेस्टिंग फेसिलिटी अँड सी हाऊ टू टेक थिंग्स प्रॉपरली. प्रत्येक गोष्ट सरकार जर करता, जर टिका करपाक लागल्या तर आमी आनी पावलां कशें घेवपाचें.
I'm just trying to ask you because it doesn't.
That's why I am answering you in that I asked you a simple question. How many you definitely, I don't deny the fact 100% you must be having relatives who are losing their jobs. Now you are saying yes. So basically what I am saying is, what do you do for those people? Lot of people, lot of migratory people who left, as a result lot of hotels which are here are unable to restart their operations. As a result of which, suppose you take a Navtara or you take somebody else, a South Indian restaurant, lot of people from Karnataka and many other people, they idli dosa ते थंयचेच लोक करू शकता. आमचो गोंयचो मनीस काय इडली डोसा करू शकना, त्या तरेन ते जे करता. करिना म्हणना, परत तेजेर वाद जातलो. घरा आमी बी करता घरा, तशें ना तें. पण कितें आहा की तेंचे एक वेगळे तरी पद्दत आसता. तो जर गेलो घरात, तेंचें कितें जालां, तेंकां घरा रावंक जाय आपल्या लोकां कडेन. पण आतां आयज कर्नाटका, बँगलोरची परिस्थिती पळय. काल बँगलोरान स्पायक, हायस्ट स्पायक काल बँगलोर जाला. म्हणजे खंयचो राज्य. काल म्हाका एकटो फोन करता, खंय देवला काय म्हणून. आपूण बँगलोर गेला म्हणून थंय मिनिस्टराक मेळपाक. हांवें खंय गेलो काय म्हणून सांगलें. ते स्पायक आयजूच स्पायक जाला थंय. प्रॉब्लम कशें आहा की प्रत्येक गोष्टीचेर वी हॅव टू सी दॅट वी टेक अप्रोप्रिएट मेजर्स, स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स. Government as a whole has to takes a decision, and we have to, our department has to back it up. We will back it up. There is no problem. We will back it up.
What is the recovery rate of the plasma therapy so far?
ना आता सध्या सगळे आमच्या देशात ट्रायल्स चल्ले सगळीकडे. प्रत्येक राज्य आपले डिस्क्रिशन आनी आपले एक्सपर्ट्साचे बॉडी घेवन तेंचे प्रोटोकॉल करून जे पेशंटाक लागता ते पेशंटाकूच ते दिता. हांवें आतांच तुमकां सांगलें की केरळाचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर मॅडम शैलेजा कडेन काल सकाळी अर्दवर हांवें उलयलां. सेक्रेटरीक बी सांगलें हांवें ती मेल धाडपाची आहा. तिणें 8 पेशंट जे हू हॅड दे हॅड गिवन अप survived and they are on the path of recovery. So that means there is some amount of hope with that, and there is no harm if the experts take a decision and start doing things at a clinical basis. त्याचबरोबर ICMR जे कितें परमिशन लागता आमी घेतलें. पण प्लाझ्मा बँकिंग आमी ताबडतोब चालू करता. प्लाझ्मा बँकिंगाची गरज आहा चालू करपाक, नाल्यार आमी फाटीं उरतले. फाल्यां तेच प्लाझ्मा आमच्या शेजारच्या राज्याक जर गरज पडल्यार बी आमी 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 दिवं शकता. ते प्रॉब्लम तशें कांय ना. सद्या तितके गोंयान देर इज नो दॅट मच ऑफ this thing, but we have set 2 freezers, म्हणजे 2000 packets at least we will keep a plasma.
Recovery is not comes to plasma.
Huh?
Recovery is not comes from plasma.
Recovery Goan.
Oh, in India.
Kerala is living example.
2 questions. Like one thing is that the speaker has said that if there is a need, that voluntarily all MLAs should go for testing. That is one thing. And second thing is, what's the condition of the MLA?
He's stable. He's stable. Absolutely. We sent you. You only must have got that. Video तुवेनूच घातला न्ही. तर तुकाच व्हिडिओ धाडला तेणी, तुवेनूच घातला. He'll be fine. He shouldn't be. But same time, we do not want anybody to get COVID or COVID-19. We have to see that we take precautions. We have to be safe. मास्क घालपाचे गरजेच्यो गोष्टी आहा. सॅनिटायझेशन करपाच्यो गरजेच्यो गोष्टी आहा. पण कांय गोष्टी लोकांक एक मायंडसेट सिक्युरिटी दिवपाक की आवर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑल्सो नॉट स्टेपिंग बॅक ऑन एनी फ्रंट. And whether it is plasma banking, clinical trials for plasma therapy, we will move ahead in the right manner with the right monitoring with our expert team. Secretary Healthak bhi and I brief केल्लें आसा. फाल्यां सोमारा चीफ सेक्रेटरी बी हांव ब्रीफ करता. त्याच तरेन आमकां वचूंक जाय. एज अ टीम वी हॅव टू वर्क एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड.
Any problems you have faced as far as mass testing is concerned, like areas like Motuzanga?
No, it's not about, nobody is able to comprehend this theory, of my theory at least, which I keep talking. Now you got nasal testing, 30 minutes you get a swab cleared. So your protocol will change accordingly if you are going to be using nasal testing, nasal swab. So basically what I am trying to say is, एक एरियान जर एक मनीस गावलो, तेजे घरा भोवती आनी तेजे कॉन्टॅक्ट, बेसीक कॉन्टॅक्ट ज्या एक 50-60 स्वॉब केल्यार खूब जाले. प्रॉब्लम कितें जाला आयज, तो जो मनीस, काल म्हाका फोन आयलो म्हाज्या एक कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सींतलो, एक पोडाशे म्हणून गांव आहा. ना बाबा तो सगळी कडेन भोंवलो म्हणून. आतां तो भोंवलो म्हणून हांवें डॉक्टराक सांगलें, बाबा तो खंय भोंवला त्या लोकांक मातसो आपून घे, त्या वॉर्डान चल, 50च्या ऐवजी 70 कर टेस्टिंग. हांवें मेकळें करूं. पूण तेजे वयर बेश्टे तेका आमी कंटेनमेंट झोन आनी काय आमी डिक्लेअर करूं शकना, कारण त्या प्रत्येक गोष्टीक प्रोटोकॉल आसता. आनी म्हणूनच आमकां एक वेगळ्या तरेन फुडें वचपाची गरज आसा आनी टेस्टींग मॅक्सिमायज करपाक आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आसा. खंयच आमी प्रयत्न करूंक ना की कमी टेस्टींग करप. आमचे डॉक्टर, म्हाका एक डॉक्टरान मॅसेज घातल्या की खंयचे तरी मिडिया रिपोर्टान आयला की फेसिलिटी ना म्हणून. तुमकां सांगता कशें डॉक्टर डिमॉरलायज जाता म्हणून. So basically, this girl has said about one nurse. I don't know which paper this is. This is sent by one doctor. She said to me, her husband of the nurse is negative. Her report was done 5 days before. She was tested also negative. She had fever, so repeated swab. She was unaware of all this. Why is such reporting being done? We are working day and night. We as a team have done 2,500 swabs. So even reporting has to be a little cautious because then people lose faith and get demoralized. So basically this is the situation at the moment. And doctor दीस रात काम करता. कोण फाटी सरना. सगळे वयता फिल्डान. Because health officer वयता, सगळे वयता. So basically we are doing these type of steps. What is new? What are the new machines? Now in GMC we have got the latest machine of Abbott's. त्याच्या भायर आतां अफेरेसिस मशीन आमी डॉक्टराक सांगलें प्रपोजल घालून धाडून दिया तुमकां कितें जाय तें आतांच अपग्रेड करून दवरा. म्हणजे ब्लड ट्रान्सफ्युजना खातीर आनी इतर कांय खातीर जे प्लाझ्मा जेन्ना तूं काडूंक सोदता मनशांतल्यान प्लाझ्मा काडूंक सोदता, प्लाझ्मा तूं जेन्ना काडूंक सोदता, प्लाझ्मा काडले उपरांत तूं एक वेगळ्या तरेन तूं ते प्लाझ्मा काडले उपरांत प्लाझ्मा एक वॉट डू यू कॉल दॅट डॉक्टर द प्रोसिजर. प्लाझ्मा काडले उपरांत तुमी हे करू शकता, कितें म्हणटा ते वॉट यू रिक्वायर ओनली यू कॅन टेक बॅक. अदर थिंग इज अगेन पुट बॅक इन टू द सिस्टम. दॅट्स द अफेरेसिस. You know, so basically you need to figure it out that we are also moving fast. We are not keeping quiet on any issue that is required, new machines that are required. What is the need of the hour, we are doing. Judiciously we are doing.
So, as far as police officials and doctors, nowadays, if you have seen last few days, major number of police officials are also getting infected. So, any special thing that all these police officials needs to be checked and all?
No, whenever, see today, now see Ponda police station, my PI, poor fellow, close to me, he got posted there few days back only. And after that, his whole police station came down with COVID-19. This is going to happen. You don't know, somebody saying the postman who used to go there was infected. So a lot of stories like this will come up. We have to be ready for all eventualities. And let me tell you one thing, we have got a very good team, we have got a good secretary, and we have already discussed plan A, plan B, plan C, where the beds, where we will put the beds, where the number of beds will be increased. Everything is in place, so people did not panic. Plus minus some issues can happen, but plasma banking we are starting immediately.